Yo, it's your boy Jizo back with another video, and today, one more time for you haters, man. And today, hey man, Birdman hair rubs, and we must got a package in. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. All right, let's go ahead and let's go ahead and hit it with the knife. I don't know what these are. Oh, they didn't even have it in a box. Oh no. Oh yes, they did. I'm tripping. I was like, oh. For real, I thought I cut the box, but they got it in a box. Just black paper. Alright, so let's get this off. Sheesh. There, boy. Get that up off there, boy. It looks like a blue box. Am I tripping? I don't even know what these are. What is it? Oh, blue box. What these are. Yeah, I don't know what these are, y'all. We go. I don't know what these are, y'all. I do know one thing. They wrap this tight. What? They wrap this tight, what? There we go. Oh, don't want to mess up the box. Man, you can't even get this out the box. God damn. Oh, shit. Man. Alright. I don't know what kind of box these are. I don't know what kind of shoes these are. Air Flea. You see that? Say Air Flea 2. Okay. The box is crazy, actually. The box is crazy. The Nike box. Size 14. Must be a woman's shoe. Okay, let me see who sent this. Kickmax.ru. Again, that's kickmax.ru. Air Flea. I didn't know I was getting these guys, so this is a big shock. This is a big shock to me, man. I didn't ask for these, but shouts out to kickmax.ru, man. This bag is crazy, yo. Nike Air Flea 2. Just do it. Just do it. Now these shoes are weird, man. Let me take them out. Okay. Here they are. With the check, and are these like the... Yo, I don't know what these are, man. Will I wear them? Of course I'll wear them. I never knew. Okay, let me see this. Oh, this come off. Okay. The check comes off, guys. The check comes off. Why? I don't know. I have no clue. Okay. Put them back on. Okay. Snap on. Make sure I ain't tripping. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. That's me. That's definitely me. I was like, maybe I got the wrong shit, man. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Maybe I put it on wrong. Yeah, I think I put it on wrong. Yeah. Hey, y'all don't give me the line, cuz. Don't forget to use code GZO, man. These go on, though. There we go. You gotta make sure they snap. Alright. Okay. So, we got I'm assuming this is what they're called. This was a big shock to me, man. Again, use code GZO. I mean, use code GZO, they're gonna give you some money off, man. They're gonna give you some money off. But this was a major shock. Air fleas too. Wow. Hey guys. Hey. Nice shoe, man. It's like a big rubber or something, man. Wow. I wonder, man. Let me Google these. Let me Google. This really caught me off guard, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't do no capping. Yeah. These are okay. They're different, man. They're real different. So I can make it work. Yeah. Yeah. These are the air fleas too. Okay. So on StockX, what do they say? Let me see what the price is on StockX for these jams. Accept all. 9 left. Let's find my size. Size 13 men's. Okay. You're looking at about $439 for these guys. You're looking at about $439 for these. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Big rubber big rubber. Big bottom. I don't know. Is that a foot at the bottom? What is that? A foot? Okay. Yeah. You got the air on the side. You got the flea there. Let me see. Let me make sure. I'm so confused, girl. Sheesh. Shouts out to kickmax.ru, man. Is this Kickmax? Yeah, kickmax.ru. Okay. Okay. So I'm confused. Is this a 12.5 men's or 14? Is it 12 and a half, or is it a 14? Is it a 12 and a half women's or 14 man? I don't know. Is a 14? It must be a 14's woman. These are 12 and a half. So I'm about to. I'm just so shocked about this, man. So shocked about these, man. I don't. How do you put these on? It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Okay, let's check out the inside, man. Let's check out the inside of these. Let's just do that, man. These are pretty different. Look at the inside of these, man. Just so y'all can see, man. Yeah, crazy. Crazy, crazy. Check out the tongue. Okay. Just so y'all know, I do real reviews, man. Y'all can tell by my face. Like that's what. Oh, okay. Now I get it. Let me see if I can take this one out, man. Okay, so now it kind of makes sense more now. Let me use this shoe. Okay, you got the clip-ons. So I guess you could just clip these on to the shoe. Now I'm more likely to wear these. Now that I know I can just clip anything to the shoe. So I'm gonna see if I can buy some more of these. If I can buy some more of these, I'll wear. Cause I can do that. Man, shouts out to kickmax.ru, man. Let me make sure. Yeah, kickmax.ru, man. Use code GZO if you want a discount, man. This is nuts. All right, I'm out, man. I'm gone. Peace.